guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this page for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So I am back with a new video and the much awaited H&M haul. So H&M has this section in their website or their app which is like up to 70% off और उसमें कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ different items sale पे रहते हैं and I will say that out of stock भी बहुत जल्दी होता है. Like if you like something on H&M आपको उसमें आपका साइज मिल रहा है, buy it at that instant क्योंकि वो बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो जाएगा and then you won't get it again. There are so many pieces that I regret not buying. इतने cheap prices मुझे मिल रहे थे. So I bought a lot of things too. So I'll show them in this video and there's something for as low as 239 rupees, which is amazing, and it's not even like an accessory item, it's full-fledged clothing. So wait, let me show you. So I bought so much from there. So I've got this packet full of clothes, this packet full of clothes, then a box full of clothes. So this is gonna be a long video and I hope you like it, and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Before getting into the clothing pieces, I want to tell you that I have an announcement to make that I'll be making towards the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned. पूरी video देखना and announcement is very important and you're gonna love it. It's regarding what I have in surprise for you for November, so it's gonna be really good. So now I'll just take out these clothing pieces and let's just start with the haul. Now first of all, what I really like about H&M was that they have tried to eliminate as much plastic from their packaging as possible, which is something that I really appreciate in brands because guys, we need to, like, it's high time we the brands and different online retailers need to start keeping this into consideration. So that's a very good initiative to from H&M. Also, they are trying to be as sustainable and ethical as possible. That is again something really nice. So now let's start with the haul. And the first two pieces, well, they are something that you have seen in a few previous videos, or I think one previous video. And उसमें मैंने बोला था I'll show this in a haul soon, and you've been waiting for it like anything, I know. So the first one is this full sleeve jersey material wala top. So I got this for 399 rupees and this one originally retails for 799, so that's a good deal, and I got it in size L. Now also this one for L, it's extremely oversized. Like I had no idea ये इतना loose आएगा. Like this is really big, so I could have easily gone with maybe even S जितना ये बड़ा है. So I don't have much problem with its sizing because कुछ चीज़ें oversize मुझे पसंद है अपनी wardrobe में. But then keep that in mind कि ये बहुत loose है. So if you want to get something like this, ये आप चीज़ ज़रूर ध्यान रखना. And also I'll try to link all the products in the description bar as usual. So you will get all the links there if you want to get anything. So this is the first clothing piece. I think this can be styled in so many ways and I can even wear it to lounge around the house and to go to sleep, and उसके लिए भी ये बहुत comfortable है. And since it's loose, comfortable तो होना ही है. So this is the first clothing piece and I really liked it. बहुत simple सा है, कुछ नहीं है, but I think इस type के basic pieces होने चाहिए हर एक के पास. Now moving on to the second clothing piece, which again you would have seen in the fall lookbook. If you've not already seen it, I think it's amazing. It's an amazing video. You should definitely check it out. I'll link it here. And मुझे उसमें काफ़ी अच्छी लगी outfits. So this turtleneck also I used in that video. Now this one I got full price. So this one is for 699 rupees. And if I see the tag here, इसके tag में also it says that it's sourced eco-friendly in an eco-friendly way, and it's a eco-responsible feature. And इसका जो production है, it's eco-responsible production. It says a lot of things actually. I'll insert a picture here of the tag and you can see. So I'm really liking इनका जो eco-friendly होना और sustainable होने का जो इनका initiative चल रहा है, that's amazing. Now coming to the top, it's a basic turtleneck, like fitted turtleneck. But the best thing about it and the thing that sets it apart from any basic clothing piece is its color. It's lavender lilac type के color का, and I really like this color. मुझे color आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. Like अगर मुझे इस color में कुछ भी दिखता है, I just feel like buying it. So I got this and इसका size is also L, I think, and this is from the H&M का basic section. So this one is available in I think white, black and this color जितना मुझे याद है, and I am planning to buy the rest of the colors too because the quality बहुत अच्छी है. It's very soft. It's fitted, but that is the look जो इस पे आता है. And if you don't want it to be that fitted, you can upsize. Like I got it in XL. And yes, this is the second clothing piece. Now I always rave about H&M basics. मैंने अपनी recent बहुत सारी videos में आपसे बोला है कि like if you want to go for t-shirts, you are looking for some basics से pieces, check out H&M basics because उसका price range is काफी अच्छा, especially compared to their quality. So another piece that I got from H&M Basics is a t-shirt. So this one is in this beige color, like darker shade of beige, and it's a V-neck. And its neck is actually काफी लंबा, so it goes down very deep, so you can wear it as it is, or you can wear it off shoulder. And its material is so damn good. Like H&M Basics it's the best place if you can get the colors that you want there, because as I said, it sells like hot cakes. और बहुत जल्दी H&M में चीज़ें out of stock होती रहती हैं. But again, if you get them, buy them. I got this in the size L and this one retails for $3.99 and again मैंने इसको भी full price में खरीदा है. It's just a basic V-neck, but ये बहुत comfortable. इसका fit भी काफी slouchy, थोड़ा सा loose fit आता है, तो it's not body hugging, so बहुत comfortable रहता है. So moving on to the next few clothing pieces. Oh, let me talk about these pair of pants because I know a lot of you are waiting for it. Now this is the pant I'm talking about. This is the picture you can see from the website. And these ones are really good. Like they're high waisted, they're mom fit, they are not denim, they are twill material. Twill is like corduroy type का material होता है, thin material होता है denim से, so they are more comfortable. मतलब बहुत ऐसा आपको ऐसे बल्कि सा फील नहीं होता उनको पहन के. And these are the pair of pants. This I got full price पे. मैं इनको काफी टाइम से देख रही थी, but ये कभी सेल पे आई नहीं. So I got them for $14.99 if I'm not wrong. हाँ, $14.99 के, and I got them in the size 42. Now next I got a t-shirt again in cream color, and this one I think is in collaboration with Coca-Cola. I think उनका एक merchandise का पूरा section है in collaboration with Coca-Cola. So I got this. I don't even drink Coke, but मुझे इतना cute लगा. इसका color combination मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. There is something written here which is kinda not readable for me because I don't know the language. एंड नीचे यहाँ पे ऐसे कोका कोला का ट्रेडमार्क है, एंड देन पीछे से ऑल्सो इसमें छोटा सा कोका कोला लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. एंड मुझे इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक इफ आई वेयर दिस विद दोस क्रीम पैंट्स एंड इसमें थोड़ा मोनोक्रोम लुक बन जाएगा, बट देन देयर विल बी दिस पॉप ऑफ कलर विच विल लाइक थोड़ा सा ना एलिवेट कर देगा आउटफिट को. तो आई थिंक इस टाइप के क्लोथिंग पीसेस काफ़ी अच्छे रहते हैं. लेकिन इसके कलर्स काफ़ी म्यूटेड है, बट देन इसमें पॉप ऑफ कलर भी है, which is, I hope you're getting what I mean. I really like this t-shirt. And now talking about its fabric is my favorite part. It is such a soft fabric. This one is again for $7.99 and I got this for $5.79. I have my laptop there, so मैं वहाँ price देख रही हूँ. So this one is for $5.79. Again, I think it's a very good deal. Like $5.79 में H&M का इतना cute t-shirt मिलना और जिसका quality material सब कुछ इतना अच्छा हो. It's amazing. Now इस कलर में, like it's beige cream color में, the last item I have is this pair of shorts, and this is the least expensive item of this haul. जिसकी मैं बोल रही थी $239 वाला actually is this pair of shorts. Like I got this for $239 in sale, and इसमें last piece था and ये मेरे साइज में था. I think it was for in 44 and I thought कि कोई बात नहीं, मैं 44 ले लूँगी. I have no problem as long as I'm getting it for $239 rupees. Like, can you believe it? Now there are this denim shorts. मैंने आपको अपनी बहुत सारी वीडियो में दिखाए हैं, which are high waisted और उसमें ऐसा paper back वाला ये waist है, and मैंने वो Shein से खरीदा है. They are like light blue वाले denim material में, and मुझे वो इतने ज़्यादा पसंद है. Like they are something that I always prefer to wear out if I have to वेयर शॉर्ट्स. मुझे वही पहनना पसंद है क्योंकि वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, एंड उसका जो ये थाइज वाला पार्ट है ये बहुत लूज है. एंड मुझे उस टाइप का शॉर्ट्स में बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ रही थी, लाइक डार्कर वॉश में और इस टाइप के कलर में, एंड आई कुड नॉट फाइंड इट एनीवेयर. एंड देन आई सॉ दिस H&M पे उसके 70% ऑफ वाले सेक्शन में, एंड आई सॉ दिस एंड इट वॉज फॉर $249 और साइज भी मुझे 44 मिल गया. आई वॉज लाइक आई नीड टू ग्रैब इट. So this one originally was priced at again $7.99. And now moving on to the final two items from today's haul, which are both in black color. So I have these two t-shirt, one this one and this top जो मैंने H&M से लिया है, and both of them again I got in sale for very good price point. Now this one is this black t-shirt. आपने ये देखा होगा, if you have seen my video where I've recreated Friends के characters के outfits. Dude, that is one of my favorite videos on my channel. Guys, please watch it. I think it deserves a lot more exposure and views because मुझे वो इतना पसंद आया. First of all, Friends. I love Friends. Then I really like the editing of it. I think it took me almost 2 days to edit that video. So I'll link it here. Please do me a favor and watch that video because वो काफी अच्छी, like you like it, you'll enjoy it. So उसमें मैंने जो जोई वाला outfit recreate किया है, उसमें I'm wearing this t-shirt. So I got this from H&M. It's very simple black t-shirt. बहुत flowy, बहुत soft material है. Like I think इस type का material H&M में काफी मिलता है. And this is the next t-shirt. I think it's very good. It's थोड़ा सा ना body hugging. So for days when I want to go for a fitted look, I think this would look really good. And even the entire Joey outfit in general, I think looks really good. Like that black on black with black heels. उससे मैं taller भी लग रही हूँ, slimmer भी लग रही हूँ. And I think that outfit is really good. And this t-shirt it's a very good material. This one is for $7.99 again, and I think I got it for $4.79 or something, like something along those lines. $4.79, $4.89. So this is the next piece. ये भी sale पे था. And now the final and one of my favorite pieces from this entire haul, which is this t-shirt. No, top. It's not t-shirt. It's a top, and it's such a pretty top. So I'll show you a try on here because it's a little difficult to explain. But first of all, it has my favorite detailing, which is this puffy shoulder and ये square neck, sweetheart neckline type of detailing. Like I really like this kind of neckline because I think it really suits me personally. And then ये काफी feminine सा look आता है, तो मुझे ऐसी neckline काफी ज़्यादा पसंद. Like I have so many tops जिसमें a square neck या फिर open neck type of neckline हो. So I really like this neckline first of all. Next इसमें जो ये आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, it's this drawstring वाला pattern जिसके लिए I can like cinch it थोड़ा ज़्यादा और crop कर सकती हूँ, और I can leave it out and ये इसकी length थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है, so I can wear it accordingly. जहाँ या जब मुझे जैसा पहनने का मन करे, I can either crop it or let it be. And the best thing was that I got it for ₹4.99 rupees only. Now it was originally priced at $9.99. And पता है, this is from their H&M Conscious section. जिसमें this one is made from polyester. We all know polyester is not that good of a fabric for environment. But this one is made from 96% recycled polyester. I think that's amazing. Like they are recycling polyester and making such cute pieces out of it. So I really like this. And this is recycled from post-consumer waste. So yes, this is the final piece, and with this we come to the end of this video. Now coming to the announcement part of this video. So on 7th November, my channel is completing 2 years. And मैंने अपना चैनल दिवाली पे स्टार्ट किया था. Like मैंने started in 2018 for 7th November, जिस दिन दिवाली थी. तो 7th को चैनल 2 साल कंप्लीट होंगे. 14th को there is Diwali. So I have decided that as to celebrate my channel completing 2 years and all the support that you give me, as a treat for you and for myself, I am going to do like this 7 weeks of uploading videos every day. So from 7th to 13th November, I'll upload one video every day at 11 a.m. So it's gonna be like hashtag 7 days of D. Like I've decided to name the series that. If you have any other name, you can tell me. And I'm so excited about it. I've planned so much content for you. There's gonna be styling videos. There's gonna be okay, I'll not tell कि क्या videos. Don't want to disclose it. Maybe sometime later, but आज के लिए सिर्फ ये इतना ही. I won't tell you videos, but I will say कि there's gonna be a variety of content, and you'll love it for sure. And there are gonna be some personal videos too. So stay tuned for that. Now I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, then give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe कर लो, click on this red button to subscribe, and then click on the bell sign too. Also, this is my Instagram handle. Make sure you follow me there because there I show a lot of BTS of me shooting videos, and I share a lot about my personal life. So you love it. And yes, tell me in the comment section which was your favorite clothing piece from the video, and आपका video कैसा लगा, and what other videos do you want from me. Also, if you want to suggest some videos for the 7-day celebration fiesta that we are gonna have, then please tell me in the comment section so I can take your suggestions into consideration as well. And yes, that's it. Now don't forget, I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. So Monday, Thursday channel पे जरूर आना. I would love to meet you, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.